Well, with that gap, again, what you're saying is, I think the yen is going to go down. It's going to go under 121.27, but it may take a couple of days to start. There may be 2 or 3 days where the market pops back up, but I think overall it's going to go down. Okay, now let's look at what happens if we, there we go. Let's move the box out. And keep your eye right here. Whoops, can't really see that. Keep your eye right here. Now you can see when I put a bigger gap, see this? I went from 4 days to 5 days. Actually almost 6 days. See that? 4 days to 6 days. This one went from about a 2-to-1 ratio to just under. It's like 1.5. 1 1/2 to 1. Okay, it's because, what am I saying? That the yen will go down, but it's going to take, 4 or 5 days now, and then it'll start going down. There's more time. Okay, again, if I extend it out even more, comes down a little bit, and you might see a reaction here if you go out a little bit more in time. You might see this pop back up. If you lower, see this maximum level, or I'm sorry, the minimum level here. Whoops, you can't. You see this minimum level here? If I lower that, you'll probably see this thing pop up. Look, 228. Now again, what am I saying? Look over here at the chart. What I'm saying is the yen is going to go down. In fact, even further down. I think there's more than 100 pips downside. But I think it may take some time to get started. So today is the 10th, all the way into July 17th. So even if the market did this, pops up, trades up here, those are a little bit big. Let me go a little bit smaller. So we've got 1 day, 2 days. So I've got 7 days total. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, see that? I mean, that's just one possibility. I'm not saying the market is going to do that, but do you see what I mean? There's some time. You're saying that I think the yen is going to go down, but I think there's going to be some time. I want to give myself 7 days, but I really think that this is going to be a big move. Okay? Very, very customizable. Now let's go back and see. Let's zoom back out. Now let's look at the chart. Okay, and let's actually decide what might actually happen here based on the chart. Okay, we can see that the market found support around May, which means it could bounce up right to here. Now I know you can't see this, but let me just go ahead and count the days where it took to move up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it moved up in 3 days, but it stayed in this range for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 14 days. It traded inside of here for 14 days before it finally decided to make its move. What we're saying over here is that because of this momentum, it's going to make the decision very, very quickly. Now, let's look back and see where's the next support. Is there support along this gray line? Well, a little bit back here. Let's go ahead and zoom way out. But look at this. If it gets below this level, where might it go next? Well, the next lowest is right in here in this area.